Should I say we're here to binvestigate? Kia ora, I'm Shannon Hansen. I'm the Waste Minimization Officer for Taupo District Council. We've got a bit of a binvestigation going on today. We're looking at how well does Taupo recycle in our public place recycling bins. Oh, good stuff. Oh, we got a nappy. It wouldn't be a recycling bin audit if there wasn't a rogue nappy inside. Nappies are not recyclable. They're not recyclable here, they're not recyclable there, they're not recyclable anywhere. Please put your nappies in the rubbish bin. So all this is great recycling. We've got heaps of cans that are clean, recyclable. Can, yes we can! We've got a few glass bottles and some plastic bottles with lids off. All good recycling. Now for the bad. Here's my pile of things that cannot be recycled. Coffee cups. Coffee cups cannot be recycled anywhere in New Zealand. So if you're using a single-use coffee cup, it's gotta go in the rubbish bin and it's gonna end up in landfill. 5 minutes on your lips, a lifetime in the tip. It sounds bad because it doesn't fully rhyme. 5 minutes on the lips, a lifetime in the tip. All of these have the lid on. This makes them unrecyclable. These might as well just be going straight to landfill. Another top offender are these cartons. They kind of seem like they should be recyclable, but they're not anywhere in New Zealand. So again, these cartons need to end up in the rubbish bin. Okay, so here we have items that could be recycled if they were recycled correctly, but they haven't been, so they'll end up in landfill. Here we've got glass, but it's completely contaminated. We've got this one full of rubbish with lids on and straws, which can't be. So if you want to recycle these, make sure it's clean, and then that cup can go in the recycle bin. What do you reckon? How are we doing with our public place recycling?